Hi friends, welcome. Today in this video session, we are going to discuss about home tabs group functions, right? So what is tab actually? The green area is actually known as the ribbon bar, right? So this is known as actually tab, home tab, insert tab and page layout. So when you click on insert tab, system is going to display insert tab groups as like that. When you click on home tab, system is going to display home tab groups. Those are all clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, etc. right? So first let us start by understanding clipboard group functions. So how many functions are available in clipboard group is that copy paste, cut paste, paste special, copy as picture and also format paint, right? So here I am going to do one thing. Here I am writing the number as A, B, C, D, right? So first let us understand the copy paste. So if you use a function of copy paste, system is going to make a duplicate of the original content. Here I am going to press Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus C. In this cell here I am going to paste it by using Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus C to copy the origin and Ctrl plus V to make a duplicate of the origin, right? Copy paste. If you use this function, the original never get changed. The system is going to make a duplicate of the origin, right? And here we'll discuss about now the cut paste, right? Here once again I'm going to write as 1 2 3 4. So here if you want to cut and paste, these functions help you to move the original content from one cell to another cell. So Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus X is a function to cut content, and wherever you want to repeat it, just press Ctrl plus V. So in this case, the origin content has been moved from one cell to another cell. So copy paste is used to make a duplicates and cut paste is used to move the original content, right? So next we'll discuss about as paste special. Actually, why do we need paste special? Very simple. Here I'm going to make you understand with a simple example. Here I'm going to enter as 100 plus 200 and I would like to get what is 100 plus 200, right? So here equals to what is the 100 cell address is that G18 plus and again G19 which is having a value of 200. So 100 plus 200 and the total result is 300, right? So if you have, I have a doubt that if you see a G20 cell, in the G20 cell I have not written the number of 300. I have written a formula which is known as equals to G18 plus G19. G18 represents 100 and G19 represents 200, right? So here the formula output is going to display as 300 in the cell number G20. So if you copy G20, if you copy the cell of G20, is the system is going to copy the formula or is the system is going to copy only the 300 number? So here I have it. So in these particular cases, we need to use paste special. So wherever if you press directly Ctrl plus V, system is going to carry the formula, right? So here system has automatically changed. Here I have copied a formula from G column and here I pasted a formula in K column. So automatically system has changed the represent value from G to K. Here the formula has been moved from G column to K column, but I don't want to repeat the formula. I would like to copy paste the 300. So in these cases you just copy as usual, just copy the same as usual, and wherever you want to paste, just first activate the cell. After activating the cell, you do not press directly Ctrl V from the keyboard to paste it. First you need to go to clipboard function and click on paste handler. Click on where? Click on paste handler, and here just click on, this is for paste special functions. So when you click on paste special, here I would like to paste what? I would like to paste only values, not the formula of G18 plus G19. So here I would like to paste only value. Here I would like to paste only the value, not the formula. So select OK. Here system is going to repeat only 300 but not the formula of G18 plus G9. So in this particular situation we need to use paste specials. And here we have one more thing, that is as copy as picture. One of the most important thing that everybody should know that about that, copy as picture. For example, here I have opened some student status information. So here I am going to copy some student data. Here I have copied some student data, not this much. I'll just copy the few things. So here I just copied some data, Ctrl+C copy, and here in MS Word I'm going to paste it as Ctrl+V by using what? Ctrl+V. So here when you copy in Excel, when you paste in Excel, system, even in Excel also, system is giving a chance to edit the data, right? But here I would like to copy the data from Excel to Word, but I don't want to give a chance to edit it once again. So in these cases you may copy and paste as a picture, not as a table in Excel, in MS Word. So in that cases, Ctrl+Z undo. I'm going to make it undo, right? So here simply first select the range, whatever you like to copy, simply select the range first. Once the range is selected, you do not press Ctrl+C as a normal copy. You just go to clipboard function, and there you might see select the range and simply go to clipboard group, and here click on copy handler. You do not use normal copy, simply click on copy as picture. So when you click on copy as picture, automatically system will take the screenshot of the respective area as shown on screen, and simply go to MS Word, and here again press as regular Ctrl+V. Here now in this case you cannot edit this data because it has been pasted as a picture, not as a Excel table. So this is how we use the basic copy and also copy as picture in Excel, right? So next we'll just continue with the same group. Yes, we have as next one is that format painter. What is this? Format painter. So very simple. Here I'm going to enter as 100, 200, for example 2000, 3000, right? To this, here I'm selecting one of the font face. Here I'm going to enter as font face Algerian, and for these 2000 I have given some background color, and for these 300 I have selected an individual text color. Here if you want to copy only the format, not the values, so here I would like to write one more. So for example ABCD, and here PQRS, and here it is at XYZ. So here I would like to change the ABCD font face from Calibri to Algerian. Again I would like to give a text highlighter or background color as yellow as like 2000, and I would like to change XYZ the font color from black to red. So if you want to repeat any format, if there is any list of tables, if you want to, for example the table number 1 is formatted perfectly, again if you don't want to waste the same time again by formatting table number 2, simply just copy the format of table number 1 and paste in table number 2. So simply here I'm going to select this range, select the range, and here right click here, just activate format painter, just click, and here wherever you like to paste simply click there. So automatically the same format, not the values or any formula, the same, only the format, only the designed format will be moved. So not moved, we'll just make a duplicate of same format in another cells. So this is how we just copy a format and paste the format. So in the next video we are going to discuss about the font group functions. Thank you.